Hi, sweeties. I am back. This is our second look at the Philips Smokeless Indoor Grill. Today, we are going to grill a couple of these gorgeous ribeye steaks, my favorite. We're going to go through the grilling and the cleaning one more time. If you remember from the last time we used the Philips Smokeless Indoor Grill, I'll put a link to that video up here. The grill grate itself cleaned wonderfully, great, perfect, real easy. So did the drip pan, but my only issue was inside here. You take a look down here. This part of the grill was tough to clean. I tried cleaning it with one of these magic eraser things. That didn't work. When I referred to the instructions, it said to try cleaning it with a ceramic scraper if you had difficulty cleaning off that part of the grill. So I ordered one. I ordered a ceramic scraper from Amazon. I'll put the link to that in the description box. We would not use the ceramic scraper on this aluminum, nonstick aluminum part. We would not use it on any glass. I'm just going to use it on the inside stainless steel part of the Philips Smokeless Grill, and we'll see how easy it is to clean. I was really happy with the way that it cooked when I used it for the first time. The cleaning was mostly easy except for this part, so we're going to see if this ceramic scraper helps us out with the cleaning. Let's get into it, but first, please subscribe to Sweet Savant for more great recipes like this one, and hit that notification bell so you'll get a little reminder whenever I upload a new video. Now, let's get into it. We're going to preheat our Philips Smokeless Grill. Right now it's in the off position. This is keep warm, and that is on. And when it's on, it should reach 446 degrees. Remember, according to the safety instructions, it says not to look directly into the infrared heating elements because you don't want to damage your eyes. So we're going to let this grill preheat for about 6 minutes. And by that time, we'll be ready to cook our ribeye steaks. Let's take a look at the steaks for a second. Now, I've had the steaks sitting out on the counter for about 30 minutes. They're beautiful ribeyes. You can see the eye of ribeye here. And this part is called the spinalis. That is my favorite cut of meat, my favorite part of any beef. The spinalis is, I think, the most beefy flavor you're going to get. The steaks are choice, which means they are well marbled. These are cut to about 1.5 inches thick. Now, ribeye, they do have quite a bit of fat on them, so that's going to be a challenge for the smokeless grill. As we read the instructions the last time, it does say, watch the fat content, because that fat, the more fat or oil you have on your items that you're grilling, the more smoke you're going to get. So we'll see if the smokeless grill can handle something as fatty as these gorgeous ribeye steaks without setting our smoke detector off. We're going to pat our steaks dry because any moisture will inhibit the browning. So we're just going to remove the excess moisture from both sides. Rub just a tiny bit of oil on each steak to prevent any sticking. I mean, there's quite a bit of fat on the steaks, so I doubt it would stick, but why take a chance? That's just a tiny bit of oil. And then I have some seasonings, kosher salt, fresh cracked black pepper, garlic, granulated garlic, and some red pepper flakes. And we're just gonna rub that on both sides of these steaks. And then we'll be ready to grill. Let's get on the grill. A good sizzle. I'm going to give these a turn, but wait, look at the marks. Oh, it looks so good. And we're just going to give it a quarter turn like that so we can get those good grill marks on it. I can get this spatula under there. Oh, there we go. Good enough. A few more minutes and then we'll flip. And you can see some of the fat and juices dripping off into the drip pan below, but we're not getting much smoke at all, so far, so good. It's time to flip. Let me give you a look at that. It's really beautiful. All right. And we'll let it go for another about 5 or 6 minutes on that side. All right, our steaks are done. I'm going to switch the grill off. We're going to move our steaks, oh, beautiful, to the cutting board. And we're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes before we slice into them. I'm not going to stack them up because we don't want them to steam too much. I'm going to loosely tent it with a little bit of foil just to try to hold some of the heat in. And we're going to let our grill cool completely before we clean it. It's almost time to eat. Okay, so after we took our steaks off, the smoke detector did go off because we did get a bit of smoke. It was at the very end. Actually, I guess the juices, when I was taking it off, splashed down onto the heating elements. So we got a little bit of smoke that kicked back up and set off our smoke detector. But honestly, not bad for indoor grilling. So what are you going to do? This is the fat that drained off of our 2 gorgeous ribeye steaks. So we're going to just pour that off and wash the drip tray. Then I'll just take this nylon brush and scrub the grates. There's not a whole lot sticking to these grates at all. The nylon brush makes it easy to get in between, and it doesn't scratch the non-stick coating either. All right, that cleaned up again really easily, the drip tray. No problem with that at all. Maybe that'll help things a little bit. Well, it is scratching, but it's coming off. I don't like this. All right, I'm going to call that a fail too. Maybe I'm doing it the wrong way. Is it this way? This didn't come with any kind of directions as to how to clean it. Now that way it doesn't seem to clean as much off. All right, well, oops, sorry about that. I am going to say that the inside of this is not really easy to clean. The grates clean easily, but this inside part does not clean. And then we also have this, the part where the infrared lights are the cover here, and that feels like a plastic, and you should use a ceramic scraper on plastic. That's also difficult to clean up, and you can see it's kind of getting caked on there. And I couldn't scrub it off before with a washcloth or with a magic eraser. So I'm going to go ahead and say that while the grates and the drip tray clean well, that the inside does not. All right, let's to the best part, cutting it open. And let's see how she looks. I think that is beautiful. I like my steak to be medium. If you want it to be more rare, then only cook it about 3 to 4 minutes per side. I like it closer to medium, so I'm very happy with that. And that's cooked about 6 minutes per side. And it's just like I like it. So I'm going to cut a little piece off and give it a taste. Nice and juicy. Really tender, really delicious. I think it worked well. We got some smoke there towards the end. It did set the smoke detector off, but I think that was because when I picked the steak up and some of the juices came off into the heating element, the infrared heating element, and that brought the smoke up. But all in all, grilling indoors, I think it worked out well. Thanks for watching. Come back again for more great recipes and product reviews just like this one. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant and have a delicious day.